steadily and a high. Capability enables the Warthog to turn quickly and evade enemy air defenses. Captain Shetterly is now configuring his aircraft to demonstrate the A-10's slow speed controllability at its final approach airspeed of 140 miles per hour. Have your cameras ready. This low speed pass will give you a good chance to see the A-10's high bypass engines at unique tail time. These distinct features help mask the heat signature, which helps the pilots defeat infrared missiles. Let's go to the cockpit of his aircraft and see if Captain Shetterly has any words for us today. Thank you, Captain Shetterly. Don't put those cameras down just yet. Low altitude tactical navigation. Shetterly less than 30 seconds to get back to the firing position for a second straight attack. With two hogs working together, enemy forces can expect to be under A-10 fire once every 10 to 15 seconds. Shetterly is now repositioning for his final attack, where he will simulate dropping ARC-82 500-pound bombs. These general-purpose bombs are useful for cratering airfields or destroying buildings, adding versatility to the Hog's arsenal of weapons. Shetterly is now performing a shakedown maneuver. This continuous shifting three-dimensional maneuver makes it very difficult for enemy anti-aircraft gunners to track the A-10. The Warthog was built to withstand significant battle damage while having the capability to fly on a single engine and total loss of hydraulic power. The Warthog has a well-earned reputation for strength and striking power. A reputation earned in Kosovo, Afghanistan, and Iraq, where Hogs destroyed numerous enemy armored vehicles, artillery sites, gun missiles, and was even credited with 2 air-to-air kills. Today, the upgraded A-10C, armed with state-of-the-art targeting pods, satellite communication, and data links, continue to set the standard for supporting Allied forces in today's joint fight. We would like to dedicate this task to the families of all armed forces and their families who support them. We would also like to remember our warriors and veterans in attendance today. Finally, we remember those who have given their lives in defending our great nation.